Welcome back to the channel where we help entrepreneurs like you unlock the secrets to financial freedom. Today, we're diving into a game-changing topic: advanced tax strategies that can help you grow your wealth and knowledge. Ready to turn taxes from a burden into a tool for sustainable success? Let's get started. Taxes are often seen as a necessary evil, but for savvy entrepreneurs, they're much more than that. They're an opportunity. When you manage your tax responsibilities proactively, you're not just saving money, you're creating room to invest in growth and build a prosperous future. And it all starts with a shift in mindset. Instead of dreading taxes, start asking, how can I make them work for me? Proactive tax management is the key to staying ahead. Here's what that looks like. Tracking your income and expenses throughout the year, staying up to date on tax law changes, consulting with a tax professional quarterly, not just during tax season. When you take control, you avoid surprises and set yourself up for success. Think of it like this: every quarter is a new opportunity to optimize your tax plan. Deductions and credits are your best friends as an entrepreneur. Here are some key ones to keep in mind. Home office deduction. If you work from home, you can claim a portion of your rent or mortgage. Business expenses, equipment, marketing, travel, anything directly tied to your business can be deducted. Tax credits. Look into the R&D credit, energy efficiency credits, or the work opportunity tax credit. These directly reduce your tax bill. Remember, every dollar saved here is a dollar you can reinvest in your business. Here's a truth every entrepreneur needs to hear. You can't grow your wealth if you don't grow your knowledge. Financial literacy is your foundation. Learn the basics of tax laws relevant to your industry. Understand how tax-advantaged accounts like Solo 401(k)s or SEP IRAs work. Commit to ongoing education. Read, attend workshops, and work with experts. Think of financial literacy as a superpower. It equips you to make smarter decisions and stay ahead of the game. Finally, let's talk about strategy. Building a long-term tax plan aligned with your business goals is a game changer. Here's a simple framework. Plan ahead. Predict your income and expenses for the year. Save strategically. Use tax-advantaged accounts to reduce your taxable income. Reinvest wisely. Use savings from deductions and credits to fuel business growth. When you follow this strategy, taxes become a tool, not a roadblock. Advanced tax strategies aren't just about saving money. They're about unlocking your potential as an entrepreneur. By managing your tax responsibilities, leveraging deductions and credits, and investing in your financial literacy, you're building the foundation for a sustainable and prosperous future. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and share it with your fellow entrepreneurs. And don't forget to subscribe for more strategies to grow your wealth. Until next time, together, let's make taxes work for you. By optimizing taxes, maximizing growth, and elevating entrepreneurial potential.